Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, our ambassador and Dr. Mrs. You are welcome to this second annual Yoruba Day. We welcome you all, and I hope that you are going to have fun because this is the day that the Lord has made. And He said we should rejoice, and that is why we are here, to rejoice and to be happy indeed. So you are welcome. I will first start to introduce the members of the high table. So I would like to start with to introduce our Honorable Ambassador, Ambassador Benedict Amoebi. Please, a round of applause for him. As we all know, a bird doesn't fly without the wings. So we have the wife, Dr. Mrs. Sheila Amobi. You are welcome, ma'am. And to join them on the high table, we have other special guests. I would like to call on Mrs. Clara Kilete Rogo. Please, a round of applause for them on the high table. You are welcome, ma'am. We really appreciate your coming. The next person I'm going to call is Mr. Mashuk Amao. He is on his way. And our mother also, Princess Lashe Dukran. You are welcome, ma'am.
The next person on the list is Mr. James Famuyiwa. A round of applause for him, if he's here.
He's not around yet. He's on his way.
Okay. And I would like to introduce as well Miss Ingrid Bustron. Actually, she called us this morning that she won't be able to make it because she's down with flu. But the Lord is our strength. So can we please give her a round of applause for her? And the next person on the list is Mr. Adelaja Majekodome.